In Lisle, Washington, just a stone's throw from the Columbia River, we're visiting Cellars, a specialty wine vineyard that's utilizing organic farming practices to help grow the perfect grapes for their customers.
Why do we go to all this extra trouble? Because I'm not making grocery store wine. I'm making high-end premium wine. We make a certain type of wine for a certain customer. They expect you to use natural sources. Well, we'd rather do that anyway.
Adrian Bradford is the father of Cellars owner Luke Bradford. Today, Adrian is showing me how nothing goes to waste at Cellars, but returns to the soil to support the crops.
It looks like a pile of poo.
Actually, it's only a very little bit of poop. It's just wine skins, stems, and seeds. This is just pure plant food. That's 3 years old and it's all been turned and is ready to put back to work.
Great
just loaded with all different types of various nutrients for growth. This is all it needs. And then we'll spread it in the rows.
Once this nutrient-rich fertilizer is spread in the rows, Adrian and his family will plant legumes as a mid-row cover crop. These practices can be difficult with the narrow space between the vine rows, so they turned to the Underwood Conservation District for help.
That thing sitting over there belongs to them. That is a compost spreader. Real little narrow ones are really hard to find. I wouldn't have any kind of a spreader to do it with unless it was them.
We're here to help conserve natural resources, and what we found was through the tools was really just a way to have a whole toolbox, literally, that could apply to all different types of land uses. We call it the Food and Farm Tool Library.
Tova Tillinghast is director of the Underwood Conservation District. With the help of her team, over 100 tools are available to rent from the tool library. This includes specialty tools that can assist farmers like the Bradfords achieve their sustainability goals.
This is the no-till seed drill. It's a very unique one in that it's narrow, so orchardists and vineyards can pull it in between the rows. That gives them the opportunity to plant cover crops. And I know that Adrian here seeds legumes, and they help fix nitrogen into the soil. And also it helps with the water runoff so that water isn't pouring down the hill and taking soil with it.
They're a valuable resource, and then also they have a lot of information, data information that we can use. So they're very valuable to, not just to me, I mean everybody uses Underwood Conservation around here.